Let's explore nature. What can we see in the grass? It's a ladybug.
Look at that!
Ladybugs can walk. And they can fly. Butterflies can fly too. And so can bees. They get food from flowers.
That's amazing.
Let's go to the pond. What animals can we see there? Look, it's a frog, a turtle, and some ducks. Now let's look in the trees. Is it a duck? No, it isn't. It's an owl. Is it a frog? No, it isn't. It's a lizard. What's this? Is it an ant? Yes, it is. It's small and red. Ants carry leaves.
Cool!
Ants live underground. So do rabbits and foxes.
Aww!
Nature is amazing. Let's look closer.